Today we are going to learn about mastering data cleaning for project success. In this video, you'll discover effective techniques to clean and pre-process data, ensuring accuracy and reliability in your data science projects. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering data cleaning for project success. Data cleaning is a pivotal part of any data science workflow. It ensures that your data is accurate, complete, and suitable for analysis, directly impacting the accuracy and reliability of your models. Throughout this video, we will explore various techniques to handle common issues like missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies. By the end of this session, you will have a strong understanding of practical data cleaning methods using Python and best practices to maintain data integrity.
Data cleaning is often considered the foundation of any successful data science project. Without it, the risk of drawing inaccurate conclusions increases, potentially leading to misguided decisions. Clean data enhances model accuracy by ensuring that the inputs are precise and representative of the real-world phenomena being modeled. It reduces biases that might skew results and improves the overall reliability of the data. Moreover, a properly cleaned dataset is crucial for facilitating better decision-making, as it allows for clearer insights and more accurate predictions. Throughout this segment, we'll discuss why data cleaning should be prioritized and how it forms the backbone of any analytical process.
Before diving into data cleaning, it's essential to identify common data quality issues that can hinder analysis. Missing data is one of the most prevalent problems, often resulting from data entry errors or incomplete data collection. Duplicate entries can inflate results and skew analysis, while inconsistent formats, such as mixed date formats or inconsistent unit measurements, can lead to confusion. Outliers and anomalies, although sometimes valuable, can distort the results if not handled correctly. In this section, we'll explore these issues in depth with real-world examples, setting the stage for effective cleaning strategies. Missing data can significantly impact the outcomes of your analysis, but there are several strategies to handle it effectively. Imputation is a common technique where missing values are replaced with substitutes, such as the mean, median, or mode of the dataset. In some cases, dropping rows with missing data might be appropriate, especially if the proportion is small. More advanced methods include using predictive modeling to estimate missing values based on other available data. Each approach has its pros and cons, and the choice depends on the context and the nature of the data. In this block, we'll examine these techniques in detail and discuss their potential impact on your analysis. Outliers and anomalies can skew data analysis results and lead to incorrect model predictions. Identifying them is the first step, often done through statistical methods such as the z-score or IQR. Once identified, you can choose to transform them to reduce their impact or remove them if they result from errors. However, it's crucial to understand their origin, as some outliers might provide valuable insights. During this segment, we'll explore techniques to manage outliers and discuss their impact on model performance, supported by a real-world example.
Standardization and normalization are crucial steps in data preparation, ensuring that your dataset is ready for analysis. Standardization involves scaling the data to have a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, making it easier to compare features. Normalization scales data to a range of 0 to 1, which is particularly useful when the dataset contains vastly different scales. These processes improve the performance of machine learning models by ensuring that all features contribute equally. In this section, we'll explore various techniques for standardization and normalization, their impact on model training, and how to implement them practically. Python offers a robust ecosystem of libraries that simplify data cleaning tasks. Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation, offering data structures like data frames that make handling data intuitive and efficient. NumPy provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with an extensive collection of mathematical functions. SciPy builds on NumPy and is ideal for scientific and technical computing. Together, these libraries allow for the automation of many data cleaning tasks, saving time and reducing errors. In this segment, we'll look at practical coding examples demonstrating how these libraries can be used to streamline your data cleaning processes. Automation is a game changer in data cleaning, significantly improving efficiency and accuracy. By using scripts, you can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more complex analysis and reducing the risk of human error. Incorporating machine learning algorithms into your cleaning processes can also enhance automation by identifying patterns and anomalies without manual intervention. This allows for more consistent and reliable data preparation. In this block, we'll discuss the benefits of automation, explore ways to script common cleaning tasks, and examine how machine learning can be integrated into these processes.
Maintaining data integrity is crucial for ensuring that your analyses remain accurate and reliable over time. This involves ensuring data accuracy through regular audits and checks. Implementing version control for datasets can help track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. Documenting your cleaning processes provides transparency and reproducibility, which are critical for collaboration and future reference. Continuous monitoring of data quality ensures that any issues are promptly addressed. During this section, we'll delve into these best practices and discuss how they can be implemented to maintain the integrity of your data.
To bring theory into practice, let's explore a real-world case study on data cleaning. In this example, we'll examine a dataset from a healthcare project that faced significant data quality challenges. The dataset contained numerous missing values, inconsistencies, and outliers. By applying the cleaning strategies discussed earlier, such as imputation, normalization, and outlier management, the project team was able to transform the dataset into a reliable resource. The outcome was a more accurate and actionable analysis, showcasing the tangible benefits of effective data cleaning. We'll conclude this block by discussing the lessons learned from this case study. As we wrap up, let's recap the essential points of mastering data cleaning for project success. We've discussed the critical role of data cleaning in ensuring model accuracy and reliability, explored various techniques for handling common data quality issues, and highlighted the importance of automation and best practices. Effective data cleaning directly contributes to the success of data science projects by providing a solid foundation for analysis. We encourage you to practice these techniques and explore additional resources to deepen your understanding. Thank you for joining us, and happy data cleaning.